Alright guys, I thought I'd just hop on quickly and give my thoughts on Bitcoin, why I'm currently bullish. So currently I have the 4-hour time chart open, which is my favorite time frame to trade on. I just believe it's the most consistent and the best for the levels. And then below here we've got the OBV. For those of you that don't know, on balance volume looks at both price and volume. So you might hear a lot of traders talking about how there's differences in what they expect to see with the amount of volume that's coming in and what terms of price is moving. So this gives us a better look. And just to give a brief explanation or visual representation as to why I love it. So if we have a look here, we've got a current level which is acting as support. Then once we break through, we retest, it acts as resistance. So this gives us this top here, and then look at the way the price breaks down. So that's just a little brief example as to why I love it. But if we look at current levels, so I can see that we've got this downtrend here, and we've recently broken through. So if I have a look at the current price, the first thing that I will see is a Adam and Eve pattern. So an Adam and Eve pattern is where we have this V-shaped recovery. And then following the V-shaped recovery, we have an arc or a cup. And usually what we would expect to see is that price would then move up from here. So I've just got a little example open. So you can see here, it breaks down, moves up, breaks back down again, and then moves up. The best example would be where we then get a retest, which has actually happened quite recently with Bitcoin. So have a look here, we have the V-shaped recovery followed by the arc, and as you can see we've got this beautiful retest here, which would have been a great position to enter. Now the one that we're currently dealing with is obviously a lot smaller than this one, so I wouldn't expect the price to move up as much, although if I'm having a look, I would probably be looking at this just above 64k level. As prices, it's a big demand zone. I would expect to move up here, so we're roughly around 5% away from there. So this is a trade that I will be looking to take. And then my reasons why. If you would like me to go through OBV in more detail, I'm happy to do so. If you are trading, I would recommend to trade on Woo. You can either use this on the CFI side on WooX or on the DeFi side on WooFi. I will be leaving below my referrals where you can get 25% of trading fees